Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about the exercise question 1.1 from the chapter Electric Charges and Fields of class 12 physics. The question is, what is the force between two small charged spheres having charges of 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air? So we have two small charged spheres. Let the charge of this sphere be Q1, which is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb, and let its charge be Q2, which is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. And these two charged spheres are separated by a distance 30 centimeters. And we are asked to calculate the force between these two small charged spheres. So, from Coulomb's law, we have the force between the two charges Q1 and Q2, or two small charged spheres of charges Q1 and Q2, which is F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by R square. So, this is the expression for the magnitude of the force which we are getting from the Coulomb's law. Now, what is the value of this 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, this is actually a constant which is equal to k, and its value is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Okay, then we have Q1 as 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb, Q2 as 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. And here, this R is the distance of separation between the two charges or two small charged spheres here. So here that R value is 30 centimeters. But the SI unit of distance is meter. So we want to convert this centimeter into meter. So we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So R equal to 30 centimeters, which will be equal to 30 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Okay, now we just want to substitute these values here in this expression. So, here we have F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by R square. When we substitute the values, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is what? 9 into 10 raised to 9 into Q1 into Q2. Q1 is 2 into 10 raised to minus 7. Then Q2 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 divided by R square. R is 30 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So, R square is 30 into 10 raised to minus 2 the whole square. Okay. So, F equal to, see here we have 9 into 2 into 3. I am writing them together, 9 into 2 into 3. Then here we have 10 raised to 9 into 10 raised to minus 7 into 10 raised to minus 7. So, 10 raised to minus 7 into 10 raised to minus 7 will be what? 10 raised to minus 14. X raised to m into x raised to n. X raised to m into x raised to n equal to x raised to m plus n. So, 10 raised to minus 7 into 10 raised to minus 7. 10 raised to minus 7 plus minus 7, which is minus 14. Okay. Then here we have 10 raised to 9. 10 raised to 9 into 10 raised to minus 14 will be what? 10 raised to minus 5. So, into 10 raised to minus 5 divided by. Here we have 30 into 10 raised to minus 2 the whole square. So, this can be written as 30 square into 10 raised to minus 2 the whole square. We have x raised to m all raised to n as x raised to m into n. So, 10 raised to minus 2 the whole square will be what? 10 raised to minus 2 into 2, which is 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, now this can be written as 9 into 2 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 divided by 30 square, no? That is 30 into 30, 900. 900 can be written as 9 into 100. What is 100? 10 square. So, 10 square into 10 raised to minus 4. Now, here we have 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to minus 4. So, x raised to m into x raised to n, x raised to m plus n. So, 10 raised to 2 plus minus 4. That is 10 raised to minus 2. This together becomes 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, then 9 from the numerator and 9 from the denominator get cancelled. So, here we have F equal to 2 into 3, which is 6, into 10 raised to minus 5 is there in the numerator, And here we have 10 raised to minus 2 in the denominator. And when we are taking this 10 raised to minus 2 to the numerator, it becomes 10 raised to plus 2. Okay, so here we have F equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to 2. That is 10 raised to minus 5 plus 2, which is minus 3. So the force will be F equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton. Okay, so what is the magnitude of the force between these two small charged spheres having charges 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb separated by a distance of 30 centimeter? Its magnitude is 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton. Okay, now what will be the nature of the force between these two spheres, charged spheres? It will be a repulsive force because both are positive charges, no? Positive and positive, they repel each other. So the magnitude of the force between them is actually 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton, and the nature of the force is a repulsive force. Okay, the force will be a repulsive force. So in this video, we have discussed about this exercise question 1.1 from the NCERT first chapter, electric charges and fields. I hope you understood this. Thank you.